In this video, we're going to show you how to make a vegetarian chilli. The ingredients you're going to need for this are 1 tin of kidney beans or mixed beans, drained and rinsed, 1 tin of black beans, drained, 1 tin of plum tomatoes. You can use chopped tomatoes, but we prefer plum because they're a richer flavour. 1 onion, diced, you can use red or white. 1 large carrot, diced into small pieces. 1 red pepper. 1 teaspoon of mild chilli powder. 1 teaspoon of smoked paprika. 1 teaspoon of cumin. And 1 tablespoonful of olive oil. And 1 vegetable stock cube. Put a splash of olive oil into a pan and warm gently. As soon as the oil is warm, add the onion to the pan. Turn down the heat a little. At this stage, we're going to add the spices. So this will be the chilli powder, the paprika, and the cumin. Using a spoon or a spatula, mix well to coat the onion in all the spices. Continue to cook for approximately 5 minutes until the onion is softened. Once the onion is tender, add the carrot to the pan and mix well. And then add the stock, which we've made up with 300 ml of water. Reduce the heat, cover the pan and allow to simmer for approximately 10 minutes. Now we're ready to add the tinned tomatoes and the red pepper. You'll see that a lot of the water will have reduced, but don't worry because there's liquid in the tomatoes. If you're using tinned tomatoes, you will need a fork to gently mash the tomatoes. Once you've lightly broken up the tomatoes, add the red pepper to the pan. After mixing, bring to the heat and then simmer for another 5 minutes. Season the chilli mix with a little salt and black pepper. Then add the tins of beans, if you feel the mix is a little thick, at this stage you could add a splash of water. Put the lid back on the chilli, bring to the boil, then reduce the heat and allow to simmer for a further 10 minutes. Once the chilli is cooked, transfer to a bowl and garnish with a little fresh coriander. You can eat the chilli as it is, or to make it go further, serve with half a jacket potato or with a portion of rice. A portion of rice is approximately 70 to 75 grams per person.